Hey, welcome to Enjoy Optical. What are you looking for?
I was looking for a new pair of glasses.
Okay, let me fit you. I want to put you in this frame, see if you like it or not.
Okay.
It's a pretty good fit. It's lightweight. It's a brand called Lul. Tell me if you like it.
Oh, I love that color. That's super cool. Super lightweight too. Comfortable.
Good.
Thank you. I like that idea.
Yeah.
I want
Okay.
something a little bit, maybe a little bit thicker or bigger.
All right. Do you like the lightweight?
I did. I liked how light it was.
Try this one.
Okay.
It's more bold. It's a good fit.
What do you think?
I like it. It's very bold.
Ooh, this might be it right here. I like this a lot. Still lightweight, but it's a little bit more chunky. This might be a winner. Maybe, do you have a third option?
Yep. Let's go with an acetate, see if you like it. This one's bolder. So if it's too bold.
I like it, but I definitely have to say the second one was my favorite by far. Let me try that one again.
These are the three I would choose for you.
This is it.
Okay.
This is the one I want. I love it. Super lightweight, comfortable, fits my style, minimal, cool.
Let's
Thank
get you going then.
What a great experience. What's your name?
My name's Oliver Wilcox.
Good to meet you. The Enjoy experience. Come experience, enjoy.